So the image on the right shows a multi-story building in Chicago. The front of the structure is comprised of a series of glass panels, so this is going to be intersecting surfaces. The drawing shows the projections of three similar glass surfaces, ABC, BC and CDP. Determine the dihedral angle between the surfaces A, BC and BCD. Right, now, so the key concept is you need to see both surfaces as edges, okay, and in order to see both surfaces as edges, a line common to them needs to appear as a point, so the line of intersection needs to appear as a point. BC is the line of intersection because it's the two common letters. The only way you can see a line as a point is by looking along its true length. BC is not a true length in either of these views because it's not parallel to the XY line in plan, so it's not a true length in elevation, and it's not parallel to the XY line in plan, so it's not parallel to the XY line in elevation, so it's not a true length in plan. So we're going to have to find the true length of this by looking perpendicular to it. Now I'm going to line my set square up, project an auxiliary from BC, take my heights from elevation, and then I'm going to look along BC from the auxiliary elevation to see it appear as a point, and take the distances from my x1, y1 line back. So I'll start now. Now I'm going to look along that line of intersection. Now then we draw in our x2, y2 line perpendicular to it. And we take the distances from our x1, y1 line back. So here's the dihedral angle here. Now I think it's always good to write in the value of the angle. Okay. So now, part B, draw the elevation and plan of a horizontal line on surface CDP which passes through point P. Determine and indicate in degrees the inclination of this line to the vertical plane. So they're asking you for the value. Right, so I'll do the first part of the question, okay, of part B. Draw a horizontal line in elevation and plan that passes through point P. So here's the horizontal line on surface CDP. Find it in plan view. So that's point number 1 in plan. It joins back to P in elevation, so it joins back to P in plan. And it says determine and indicate the inclination of this line to the vertical plane. The true angle between a line and a plane is seen in the view showing the line as a true length and the plane as an edge. This is a true length because it's parallel to the XY line elevation, and the XY line in plan is the vertical plane. So the true angle is simply here. This is the true angle there, and it says determine and indicate. So just simply writing true angle there is not enough. That's why I always think it's a good habit to measure these angles and write it in. I will put the value in here. So the value of it is 26 degrees.